Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, whatever the time permits in your area. Today, I'm making a video to show you that even though it is necessary to embark on some journeys that will add you income, it is also worth noting down that there are some risks that you can encounter. Apart from stealing and all that, there are other risks that you can also encounter as far as poultry farming is concerned. I'll have to show you this. I was a little bit away today because I had some errands to run in town, and that is why it is necessary to always have someone on the farm at all times. And on my way back, this is what I noticed. Let me show you guys. It's a loss that we have encountered today. A bird has been killed on our farm. That is the carcass, as you can see. From all indication, it's an animal that has actually eaten up its intestines and all that. So this is why it is necessary to always be at the lookout of things, because this may happen at any time. You might be thinking that poultry farming has only the positive sides, but guys, trust me, there is also a negative end to poultry farming if you are not very watchful. Unfortunately, I have not gotten to that stage where I have to install video cameras on the farm in order to dictate what animal is doing this. But this is the first time though. I also learned that this happened in the first flock of birds that I put here. That, guys, I told you they were stolen. But in my own presence, this is a loss, right? It's a loss. This is a hen that was already laying and probably would have given me some chicks, but destiny has gotten hold of her, and today we are also sharing a loss. And for those of you guys who are experiencing this, you know, I am surrounded by, let me say, forest, right? Yes, but I have also fenced it, and probably this animal has just moved in from where I don't know and has gotten this bad job done. So guys, I just said let me keep you informed. So these are the things you have to factor in when you want to embark upon this journey. It is not the end of the road, you know. These challenges will make us stronger because we have to plan on how to eradicate this animal who has become another nightmare on this beautiful journey. So, and that is why it is also necessary that for those of you who are starting, make sure that you count your birds all the time, that you put them back in the coop, because you might be missing a bird without knowing, just to find out later on. This carcass that is lying there, I have to eliminate it, I have to eradicate it, remove it from here, so that my birds doesn't come and feed on them. But for those of you who have this experience on your farms, please, I'll be very glad if you leave me the solutions that you've implemented on your farms, apart from video cameras for this, because I don't know whether I'll embark on trapping the animal or how, but I have to think about something. And when I finally do it, I also leave it online so that some other people who have the same challenges can also benefit from it. So I've just decided to put back the birds in their coop because there was already a state of distress. They were crying and screaming, maybe because of what has happened here. And guys, I said, let me just keep you informed. Those of you who are watching for the first time, please do well to subscribe and let us continue to stand firm on this journey. Let nothing discourage us. Thanks for watching for now. I'll keep you informed. Bye for now.